Well, my name is Alan Lucchini, and today I'll be presenting about waste heat recovery from landfills and how this relates to the organic ranking cycle. So, what's the problem? So, in these landfills, there's a buildup of waste, and with the lack of oxygen, produces methane, which leads to global warming. So, these high temperatures also lead to thermal runaway, which damages the environment. So, what's the solution? So, implementing an organic ranking cycle by a landfill would give it a heat source, which in this cycle is very important, as you can see from picture number one. This is the first and like last step of the ranking cycle, which is a heat source. So instead of compared to other cycles putting work in at this landfill, it would be super effective to just always have heat to use, which is the start of the organic ranking cycle, which later produces work, which can be converted into electricity and energy. So the implication of the system, what the future looks like. So these systems are known to be expensive and have a high upfront cost. So not a lot of companies want to implement this. Also, most current systems use flammable working fluids, which is the refrigerant, and these are have poor efficiency and are also a fire hazard. So in the future, there's research on different working fluids that can improve cycle efficiency. So the impact on the public. We implement these, there will be reduced emissions, cleaner air from methane emission, and also reduced landfill volume, which lowers the need for landfills. This is also a renewable energy source, can save money over time to the public. And looking at this graph, you can see just how much methane emission is just caused from landfills.